Just another reaction.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my motherfucking channel. It's your girl Z-Ray. And today is October the 8th. I don't know where my phone is, so I can't show y'all, but today is October the 8th. I didn't get to record an intro this morning, nor did I get to record my 2 clients that I just had, but I have another client coming, and that's about it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure that you do. Make sure you drop a comment down below. Make sure you follow me on all of my social media networks at Z-Red Lip Goddess, period. And that's all I got. Alright, so let's do a quick outfit of the day because I didn't get to record nothing else. So I got on my pretty little thing, sweatsuit, Marnie slides, and I have on my favorite little socks, my little tie-dye socks. And I'm just sitting in here waiting for my next client. And that's about it. So let me just clean up before she comes, get my life together, so that after I'm done with her, I can get ready to go. I got like an errand to run, and that's it. To restock my refrigerator for my clients right quick. Look at this. This is sad. All I got is granola bars. I need to go to the grocery store and get more snacks for my clients because it's giving sad case. It's giving, this is awful.
Oh, now she asks me if I do this every day. Is that often? That's how many times she rode the wave. Not so often. Bitches down to do it either way. Often, baby, I can make that pussy rain. Often, often, often. Girl, I do this often. Make that pussy poppin'. Do it how I want it. Often, often. Girl, I do this often. Make that pussy poppin'. Do it how I want it. Often, often. Girl, I do this often. Make that pussy poppin'. Do it how I want it. Often, often. Girl, I do this often. Make that pussy poppin'. Do it how I want it. Often. Infatuated by the face that is. She wanna ride inside the G-Class gray Matic. I come around, she leave that nigga like he ain't matter. That girl been drinking all day, need a change bladder. She just happy that the crew back in town. She about to go downtown for a whole hour.
Alright y'all, so I said I was going to record my last client, but my last client canceled, which is fine. So I'm about to just go run my errands, and then I think I want to go and do a little surprise for y'all. I'll be right back. So y'all, I didn't vlog or whatever because I just made a real impulsive decision, but I'm back and it's 4:02 in the afternoon, and guess where I'm at? I'm about to be at my college homecoming. Okay, let me pay attention to my damn GPS. But yeah, so I went to VSU, if y'all didn't know, or whatever, home of the motherfucking Trojans, whatevers. And today is homecoming. We play Bowie State, and I'm so pressed. I'm about to be pulling up at Gabby's house in like the next 10 minutes, and I'm about to make my mimosa, and then we're about to head to the yard so I can see my friends and people who haven't seen it so long. I'm so pressed. So yeah, I'll check in with y'all in a little bit because I'm driving and I don't know where I'm going, so I'll call y'all back. Look who I'm with! Oh my gosh, I get to see her in the flesh. No, Gabby. And now I'm trying to think, should I take my jacket off because it's warm here?
Well, I'm wearing my hot ass jacket. Sure am.
Thanks, Gabby. Here I come. It's so cute. It's really giving homecoming, period. It's giving homecoming Halloween vibes. Ow.
Jazz said turn the fuck up for homecoming.
Yeah, because if it wasn't for me, these hookers was going to be in the house.
I'm so groovy. I am Pluto. Never forget. Okay. I'm so groovy. I got power. I'm so groovy. I got power. I just bought it. I'm so groovy. I got power. I'm so groovy. I got.
I leave. I'm never coming back. Never coming back to Petersburg. I'm never coming back to Petersburg. And here I am, so fucking excited that I'm here.
I'd be excited.
Damn, I can't even get my dorm.
Girl, half these dorms ain't even here no more.
Don't do that. Bird gonna always be here.
Oh, you was a bird hall?
I was a bird hall baddie. Period. This feels so crazy, bro.
I'm happy with the turnout for homecoming this year.
Say hi. Hi. Hold on, Gabby leaving me. I'm gonna come back through here. Oh my God! Hi, friend. They all still lashing. Period. You was coming. Cause I didn't think I was gonna come. This was last minute. It's just Buzzy Red, and you knew that. This is 3 weeks. That's 3 weeks. This is 3 weeks. It's giving low. Kelly out here with the drink. I cannot. Bros for the vlog. Ow. Ow. Put the bros on the vlog.
But I'm different.
I'm just getting home from homecoming. I'm so fucking tired. I just did a 2-hour drive there, a 2-hour drive back, and I'm so ready to just get in my bed and take a shower, eat, take a migraine Excedrin. I'm tired. So I'm gonna end this shit here. See y'all tomorrow. Peace out. Hey y'all. It is Sunday, October the 8th, the day after homecoming, and yes, I'm looking like yesterday when I wore to work. I don't care. Don't judge me. Judge your mom. I'm at the bank making a deposit, and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store so that I can cook my dinner for Sunday, and that's about it. And I think I broke my freaking purse, but whatever.
For dinner tonight, try our tasty chicken from our in-store deli. Whether you
Y'all, today has been an extremely long day. Today is October the 11th, and I have not vlogged, but today is October the 11th. I have 4 clients today, and I had a therapy session at 12:30, so I have not had a chance to vlog because I just been like back to back to back. But y'all, I was scrubbing my floors today. Let me show y'all something. look at how sparkly my floors is. Ow. So I used I used my all-purpose wipes because when they did the tile in here or whatever, basically like it was like these little adhesive like sticky things, so it was making my floor look dirty. But my floor is not dirty. I sweep it all the time. But y'all, it's like sparkly. It's like clean. But I'm about to go get me something to eat, and then I'm gonna call y'all back when I'm done, cause I'm starving and I still got 2 more clients. So I'll call y'all back when I y'all. Okay, I gotta sit y'all right here because y'all know I don't got no car mount. But I'm getting lunch right quick so I can eat. But I'm about to get the cactus plant flea market box from McDonald's. And I know this sounds so crazy, but I've never ever tried a Big Mac. So you get a choice between a Big Mac or a 10-piece nugget. I'm going to try the Big Mac because I've never had a Big Mac ever in my life. So y'all about to see this. Look at this. Y'all see it? That's the box that I'm talking about.
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. Would you be using your mobile app today?
No.
May I help you?
Can I get the cactus plant flea market box?
Which one, Big Mac or Nugget?
Big Mac with no pickles.
Okay, and a drink?
You could do a Sprite.
Okay, anything else?
That's it.
Next window, please. Thank you.
Thank you. I got the box! I got the box! I'm so impressed. Okay, because I've been seeing it on TikTok and I'm like, well, not even on TikTok. I've been seeing it on Instagram. Like, everybody keep posting this box. But I'm about to go ahead and pay for my food. And we about to see what this box look like. I don't think y'all understand how excited I am to try this stupid box, but I'm about to try it. Like, I'm saying it like I'm getting something new from McDonald's. McDonald's has always had fries and a Big Mac, but they have this box and they're like little collector items or whatever. I'm just gonna give it to Nova, honestly. Like, 1187. Thank you. Like, that's so annoying. Why don't y'all never have food ready? Like, I have a client in 15 minutes. About time, y'all. They're finally coming with my box. Finally. It took long enough. Hi. Thank you. Y'all, here is the box. I gotta take a picture of this. Okay, y'all, this is so ugly and ghetto. I get it. I know. I'm getting a camera mount real soon. Don't worry. I started eating my fries because I'm hungry. But y'all, this is the limited edition cactus plant flea market box that comes with like the original toy or whatever. And I'm gonna go ahead and open my toy for y'all. This is the little toy bag, and it's a cactus plant flea market. And I got the little McDonald's man. So yeah, I've never ate a Big Mac ever in my life. This is insane. So y'all about to try it with me. It's like double stacked. Oh my god, I'm definitely going to need to clean my car out. Ugh, I don't even know how to bite it. Y'all, it's actually good. I'm ashamed. I ain't gonna lie. The Big Mac is slapping right now. Yeah. I can't even talk. It's actually pretty good. And y'all know that McDonald's Sprite don't play. You gotta be like 21 or older to eat that. And don't mind my hair. Don't mind me. It's either real good or I'm real hungry. I'm real hungry. I'm gonna call y'all back. I have a feeling that Kayla is already in my room, y'all. How much you wanna bet? She's in my room. We about to see. I knew my girl was in here. I said, watch Kayla gonna be in my room. Ah, does it smell pumpkin-y enough in here for you?
What is that?
I vlogged it. I don't know, wait. Because I'm trying to get them so they can see the full view of the whole box. But all of my food is gone.
It's cute.
Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama's house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, I use the bitch, cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a real right blood, any nigga kinda fit. You pull up on the L, push it, boy, you get dealt. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me up some drops. Y'all say real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Keep your legs closed, cause all I want is talk. I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama's house and put some rounds in it. Let a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it.
Alright y'all, so it is now 6:30. I'm off work. I did not record a full day of my clients. As I said earlier, I've had a very long day, but I'm excited to go home. Hopefully y'all like this vlog. I will see y'all in my next video. Make sure you're subscribed. Love y'all.